Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload MP3 files to YouTube. Alright, let's begin. First, open YouTube and click the Create button at the top right. Select Upload Video. If you try uploading an MP3 file, you will get an invalid file format message. To solve this, you will need to download CapCut, a video editing tool. Visit the official site CapCut.com and download it from there. Once done, open it up and create a new project. Now, import your audio by clicking on the Upload section. After uploading, drag the audio onto the timeline. To convert this into a video, add an image, text, or video. For simplicity, click Text, then Default, and press the plus button. A text box will appear. You can then extend it onto the whole timeline and edit the content. Once satisfied, click Export at the top right. You will then need to log in or sign up for a free account. After exporting, return to YouTube. Press Select Files, upload the video, and proceed with title, description, and settings. Since YouTube requires a video format, adding visuals to your MP3 lets you upload audio successfully. So that's basically how you can upload MP3 files to YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.